Welcome. If you're looking to organize your files in Google Drive and want to know how to add a file to a brand new folder, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through each step using the latest version of the Google Drive app. Let's get started. First, open the Google Drive app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account so you can access all your files. Next, take a look at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the file icon there. This will bring up a list of all your files stored in Google Drive. Now, find the file you want to move into a new folder. Once you've located it, look for the three dots right next to the file's name. Tap on these three dots to open up more options for that file. From the menu that appears, select Move. This option lets you choose a new location for your file. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a folder icon with a plus sign. This is the New Folder button. Tap on it to start creating a new folder. You'll be prompted to name your new folder. Type in a name that makes sense for your file or project, then tap Create. Your new folder will now appear as a destination for your file. Finally, confirm that you want to move the file into this new folder. Tap Move, and your file will be placed in the folder you just created. And that's it. You've successfully added your file to a brand new folder in Google Drive. This simple process helps keep your drive organized and your files easy to find. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks for getting the most out of Google Drive. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.